What's up, bud? It's Rob. This is Apparel Success. And if you don't know who I am, I run a Canadian lifestyle brand called K-Bud that's doing multiple six figures in sales every year for the past 4 years. And I want to show you how I can make 21 TikTok videos for my clothing brand in literally just 1 hour. Every single Monday, I go out and I shoot 21 TikTok videos in 1 hour. That's 3 TikTok posts a day for 7 straight days that you can get done in literally like an hour or two. And these posts that I'm making literally have like 700,000 views, 300,000, 300,000, 100,000, 70,000 regularly. And that's just from the post that I made this week. So I know that one of the biggest problems that a lot of clothing brands have is content creation, being able to create content regularly and easily. That's crushing for their brand. And so I really hope that this helps. Apparel Success is sponsored by my buds over at DesignCrowd. If designs are something that you struggle with, I really recommend that you try them out. You post a project on DesignCrowd, amazing designers from all around the world are going to compete for your project. You choose the winner, then you get that design plus revisions. I've literally sold thousands of these designs on my website, and I got them all made through DesignCrowd. If you're interested, head over to designcrowd.com/apparel to learn about the special offer that I have for you, or just use the discount code APPAREL when you post a project on DesignCrowd. So let me explain to you my exact process for creating content here, and just stick around because this is like super valuable stuff that I had to share with you. So what I do is every single Monday, I have a content creation day. I create 21 TikTok videos for my clothing brand in one day. That's enough for the next 7 days, 3 posts a day. And I also shoot YouTube shorts for this YouTube channel. I do everything all in one day. And the reason why I do that is because I find that batching content is a lot easier than if I'm having to scramble every single day to create content. I just find that if I have one day where I just get it all done in one day, it's way more enjoyable that way. And I just find it opens up so much more time and I find myself less scrambly. But basically, when it comes to these TikTok videos for my clothing brand, what I do is every single Monday, I go for a hike. And I go for a hike here in rural Canada because my brand represents rural Canada. And so my brand represents the humor in rural Canada, the relatability, the experiences that everybody has as part of the lifestyle in rural Canada. So I literally grab like 3 or 4 different hoodies for my clothing brand. I go out into a rural area in Canada where I can go for a hike, and I just film these like little chunks of me just walking, making different facial expressions, and I just switch up the hoodies. So maybe I'll shoot a couple chunks of me in the Just Giver hoodie that I'm wearing, and then maybe I'll shoot another chunk of me in the gray hoodie, and I just pile up enough content of me kind of walking, making different facial expressions. Maybe sometimes I'm sitting, maybe sometimes I'm standing, just super simple stuff. Now that hike that I go on is something that I'd be doing anyways because I'm like a 31-year-old dude who needs to get in shape and wants to stay healthy. So that hike's like a really enjoyable time, and why not just kill 2 birds with 1 stone and shoot some videos at the same time. Just recorded a solid 21 little clips and a little hike that I just went on. Got the hike done for the day and heading home now. So that's it. Then when I get back home, I literally just lay on my couch and draft 21 TikTok videos. And basically throughout the week, throughout that whole week before, anytime I have like a funny thought about Canadians or like something funny about Canada or something comes up, I just jot it down on my phone. And so I just have 21 ideas in my phone to write out for when I'm creating these videos. So now I just take the raw clips that I got from when I was on that hike. I put these funny little like statements or sentences or jokes about rural Canada into my content, and I just draft 21 TikToks. And if you're hung up on this, like, how the hell am I going to create 21 ideas for my clothing brand every single week? It's honestly way easier than you think. Like, most of the people in this space are creatives, and coming up with different ideas or funny things to say isn't their biggest problem. And if it is, just use ChatGPT. You can literally type into like this new AI thing called ChatGPT, like, give me some funny things about basketball if your brand's about basketball, or tell me the top 10 times somebody broke somebody's ankles in basketball, like things like that. And you could just use that all as content. Like, the content generating side of things and the creative side really isn't the hardest part. What I think that the hardest part is for most people to actually set aside that time to just get it all done all in one day, and then you're just free for the rest of the week, and you can go to sleep realizing that, hey, I've got like 3 videos a day for the next 7 days all ready to go here. Like, I'm all set. All I have to do now is just release them. And what I've shown you here is really my formula, what's working for my clothing brand. It's so easy. People love the relatability side of it. If I was just shooting content of people posing in like a studio wearing our hoodies, they would suck. They wouldn't get any views. And so the fact that it's so simple, the fact that it's just text on a screen that's so relatable is actually what's separating my clothing brand from the brands that are like all trying to post pictures of their hoodies and all trying to sell all the time. And all of these people that you're accumulating on TikTok, this giant audience that you're creating, you can always retarget with ads, with more conversion focused ads, and they're likely to convert so much better. And I know that because it's worked so well for my own clothing brand. And just to be clear on this and help guide you even a little bit more for the content creation for your own brand, I go into rural Canada because my brand is about rural Canada. If you go and check Whole Strength, HOL Strength on TikTok, all of his raw content, like me going on a hike wearing different hoodies, is people in the gym working out in his stuff. So he literally just shoots these like raw B-roll type footage of him at the gym, just like working out or people working out. He gets that all done. And then you just put text over it, you put a little bit of music to it, and it's done. And then you post it. Like, it doesn't have to be this huge production. I learned this mistake the hard way. I went out with a buddy and I shot literally like a video that took me all afternoon, and I edited it. I put all this flashy text on it, and it literally got like 400 views. And it took me all day to shoot one video. And I was like, what was the point of all of that value production? Why did I spend so much time when the value production is so overrated on platforms like TikTok, on Instagram right now? People like the relatability. They like just getting the value, and they want to see somebody real. They want to see somebody who's truly saying something funny or connecting in like a funny way. And that's the way that it works for my own clothing brand, which is just a win-win for me because it's so much easier to create content like that. I literally made a 100% free online course for new clothing brands starting up. If you want to get access, you can go to freeclothingcourse.com, and I highly recommend that you go through it at your own pace and just learn everything that I have to share with you. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.